Ever wish your microwave could clean itself? This lemon trick is basically magic. Here's what you do. Cut a lemon in half, squeeze a bit of the juice into a microwave-safe bowl, then toss in both lemon halves. Fill the bowl halfway with water. Pop it in the microwave and heat for 3 minutes. Now, don't open the door right away. Let the steamy lemon sauna work its magic for a few more minutes. The steam softens all that stuck-on gunk. So when you open the door, it's ready for a quick wipe. No elbow grease needed. Bonus: your microwave now smells like you hired a tiny citrus maid. Who knew cleaning could be this easy and smell this fresh? Try it and thank your lemon later.